Hello everyone, this is Anas from Speak Real Arabic and welcome back to another episode of Useful Phrases in Levantine Dialect. If you would like to show off your language skills in front of your friends, then this is the right time to do it. Stick around with me in this video and I'll teach you another 5 phrases. Let's get started. As always, I'm going to start with a suitable use case and the context of that word or phrase, and then I'm going to translate that to you. If you met someone you like and you would like them to call you, you would just say, call me, right? Now, this in Levantine, this means hakini. Hakini, which means call me. Now, you can use this as call me, like on the phone, and you can also use it as just talk to me. So you can say hakini. This next one is actually extremely common. If your brother or sister just broke your smartphone and they're trying to apologize, you would say at the end, no problem, right? This word in Levantine means ما في مشكلة. ما في مشكلة. So if you have been watching this channel for some time, I hope that you would realize that the word ma means no. So ما في مشكلة, if we are to translate that literally, we would say no, there, problem. No problem. And also, if you would like to go watch some of the videos that we've done on this channel to learn some new phrases, maybe here or there, then yet in this case, no problem either. This next one has a lot of use cases as well. If somebody asks you, what do you think these two people have in common? So you would say, nothing. The word nothing means ولا شيء. ولا شيء. So the word wala means no and she means thing. Wala شيء. Mike, I have been looking for you for ages. Where were you? Ween kind. Ween kind. So where were you means ween kind. If you're addressing a male, you'd say ween kind. If you're addressing a female, you would say ween kinti. Ween kinti. The last one on the list is something that we have not yet talked about. Not yet talked about. Lissa. The word lissa means not yet. If you would like to refer to yourself while saying this word, you'd say lissatni. So, for example, if you would like to say in English, I'm still thinking about this, you would say lissatni عم فكر بهذا الشيء. لساتني عم فكر بهذا الشيء. So, that's it for this video. Did you learn something new today or ولا شيء? Let's share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and see you in the next one. Salam.